Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you what I got on my mail Thursday, and some chit chat, and some more about the giveaway. I got this. This looks like Blitz to me, but it says Blitzu, and this is, I make jewelry, right? So these are the overhead lights. I think I got another overhead light, but I got it in pink. So just in case one goes out, I got another one. I don't think, so the batteries aren't in there, so let's put them in, because they're right here. Sometimes they send you with batteries, sometimes they don't. They sent them these with batteries, so we can work with this. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. Today is Thursday, getting ready for Delaware City Day. I'll take pictures of that. I think I took pictures in it, and I gave it to you last year. I don't know. But I'll take pictures of it this year, and I'll try the parade and all that. And I think my grandchildren are in it. I know one of my grandchildren are in it. She's riding a horse, but I don't know anybody else. I don't know whether the young ones are going to be in it, because they used to be in it every year. But I know we're selling stuff and all that, so it's really a nice day. When I first came to live here, I didn't know about it, or I didn't pay any attention to it for some reason. And when I heard I was asleep, it was on a Saturday, and I don't know what, okay, I wasn't coming from work or anything like that, but anyway, I dropped one of the batteries. I heard all the band playing and everything like that, and all this loud noise and everything like that, and it just abruptly woke me up out of bed. So after that, I was like, oh, it's a parade. I didn't know. Then after that, I kind of knew. And I don't know where the other battery went, so down there somewhere, and I'm not looking for it. Anyway, so we know it lights. It's got batteries. It's just got one battery missing. Anyway, so this goes on like this, and I can see. So that's good, because when I'm upstairs, sometimes it's really dark and I can't always see. So if you, then I got some Dream, and this is valerian sleep supplement. I take them sometimes, so I get them so that I have them, you know what I mean? Because one of the things you don't want to do is become sleepy and not have any way to go to sleep. Then, of course, I got apple cider vinegar. Okay, and this is 60 capsules. This one was, the Dream was 60 capsules also, and this is for weight management and overall health. And I'm feeling a lot better, and I'm losing a little bit of weight. It's going to take a little bit of time. I got to lose like 20 or 30 pounds. I forgot what the doctor said. And I also forgot to call my doctor today. Oh, well, she's gone now. And then I got elderberry gummies for my grandchildren. These are called Joy Spring. I got elderberry gummies for my grandchildren. So they're into, can I take my vitamins now? They're funny. Then last but not least, this is Barsetto, and it's a Transpresso portable coffee machine. And I got this for upstairs on the top floor. I'm going to keep some coffee. This is coffee. I make coffee upstairs because, right around the end of August, first part of September, I start getting busy and start getting ready for Christmas and start selling things. So I got this for that. And it's dramatic opening it. So it's in this box. Came in a box within a box. My granddaughter gets a kick out of that. Ari gets the biggest kick out of that. Some of my grandchildren, my daughter took my grandchildren, two of them, with her friend and her friend's son camping. And they're staying in a cabin. So they're doing really good. My granddaughter called me and told me that she got there okay. So this is the Rossetto Trip Resso. I don't know. Sometimes, you know, I can pronounce things, and sometimes I do damage. Ooh. So, let's look at all this. This is the cup, which will be good for upstairs. This is the, come on. This is the, and this is the, this is for the, okay, for the coffee. So, let's experiment with this. I'm going to open this up now. I'm going to try to anyway. So this is, let's see. I guess you put this, no, I guess not. This comes up like this, okay, but oop. There's directions right there. You'd think I would read them? No. And so that all goes in there like that. Now I'll read the directions. Because I think that this is kind of like a French press. That's what I'm thinking. And of course, you know, it's got this little teeny tiny writing. Well, we'll see. I need my magnifying glass for this one. Okay, I need the magnifying glass for this one, but stay tuned because I'll do a live promo on this one. Anyway, for the box is filling up for the surprise box, the mystery box, but there's some things that I'm going to tell you in here. There's a leather Bible case in there. I got 2 of them, so I mailed you one. And if you don't use it, then you can give it to somebody. I'm sure whoever gets the prize. And then I did put some pillow covers in, but that's all I'm telling you. So you just have to wait and see who wins and then get it. And actually, well, I'll tell you that later. Anyway, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Oh.